Hello, I'm going to be making an origami boat. This is for beginners, and if you're not a beginner and you just don't know how to make this, then this would just be a breeze. Start with an A4 piece of paper. It's got to be, well, it doesn't have to be A4. There you go. Fold it in half like this, like so. Come on. As neat as possible. That is your base fold. And fold it in half again, but widthways. Is it widthways? Yeah, well. So you got that. Unfold it. You should see a crease going down there. With that crease, you can fold them down two flaps, the two corners down to that crease. On the other side as well. If you don't get it perfect first time, it doesn't matter, unless you're in a life and death situation and it's got to be perfect. So you've got that. This is where you could turn it into a hat if you wanted to. I'm not going to stop it as a hat because I think it's going to be a boat, but if you want to stop it as a hat, you do this fold anyway. Fold it up or down, like that. So down to the paper fold. Do the same on the other side. You can't feel where it is on that side, so you're just going to have to fold it up to the corner there. Just line it up on both corners. Not really up. Line up. Now this is an awkward bit. Right, get your finger, put it there. Get your middle finger, put it there, and push up. And then, see there, push them. If it's just got a little bit at the top, just push it out with your finger. And you should get these two flappy out bits like that. Push one behind the other on both sides. You got that. Fold it down nice and neat. Now fold this up, this flap here, up like that. So you've got, and you know you've done this right, because you've got an X there. You can lift that up there, look. Just on the other side. So you've got triangle. This is where the boat takes place. Turn it like that. Do the same thing you did with making the hat, when you're converting the hat to the square. Push up like that. With finger, index finger and thumb, push on that. You have another square, smaller square this time. These are points in this. And then, you got a smaller square. And you can just pull, look, it's got a parting there. Pull on the corners, not too tight, so you don't hook onto that bit. Pull on them and fold the bottom down. And there you go, you've got your boat. We're going to be doing some other videos, origami videos, swans and cranes, hats and butterflies, stuff like that. And we're making a Minecraft video with my mates. The Minecast, 2 capital X's, small x, Minecast, small x. We're going to be making our first episode, Portal to the Pigs, and I've also done some Halo videos, so visit my channel, subscribe, like, and get more videos. Thanks for watching.